Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Dr. Prateek and today we have our student Aniket with us and we will have some conversation in English with him for sake of practice. So Aniket, welcome dear. Good morning. So tell us something about your family.
Sir, we are three members in family.
Okay.
My father, my mother, and I'm the only child.
Mm-hmm.
We are currently living in Bikaner tent. Because my father is in army.
Okay, wonderful.
So,
That's all. Okay. Tell me something about your education.
currently I'm doing BA. second year. So and I want to go abroad for further studies.
Okay.
So that's why I'm here to speak.
Improve your speaking skills. That's good. That's good. So what problems do you face when you practice English or when you try to improve your English?
So sometimes I become nervous while speaking English because I don't have that environment. Like I don't have someone to communicate with in English.
Right.
So that's why this is the right place. Because like here we know GD class where we can communicate with each other in English.
Right. It's all a matter of comfort zone. When you are in comfort zone, then you feel very comfortable. Like you are comfortable with the Hindi language.
Yes.
So you feel very easy when you have a conversation in English, in Hindi. But when it comes to English, because it's not in practice, not every single day you speak in English. So you feel a little shy or nervous. But people need an environment kind this. People need such a platform where they can have normal conversation